Good evening, Nigerians. My name is Woki Uche Emmanuel. I am bothered. Something bothers me, and I will throw a question to Nigerians. How do we move on? If we as Nigerians cannot repose some level of confidence on the processes of governance, how do we move on? How do we move on? If we cannot improve our sense of judgment, if we cannot look at issues and tackle them the way they are, how do we move on? How do we move on? If we cannot, at least for the sake of the fact that we are all claiming to be products of one supreme being, if we cannot speak the truth when it matters, how do we move on? Why am I so bothered? Why am I asking these questions? I am asking because today there is a development in Nigeria. It has to do with INEC, police, and the governor of Rivers State. In court, the police has presented some amount of money as evidence to prove that the governor of Rivers State influenced the electoral process in Rivers State. But I hear a lot of people, high-profile individuals in the society, not tackling the issues the way they should be tackled, not being specific about these issues, not making opinions about these issues, irrespective of the fact that there is a material evidence on ground. Nobody appears to be speaking or being analytical about this issue on ground. But what I hear are speculations, people trying to make generalizations to justify what is on ground right now. I want to ask, can you justify the action of one man just because you think, just because in your head, somewhere in your head you think that somebody elsewhere is perpetrating the same crime? How do you manage that as a reasonable, as a thinking human being? How do you manage such logic that somebody a process is on, and from what you are seeing, there are signs that somewhere, somehow, somebody is culpable, and you are not outraged. That matter appears senseless to you. You are simply ignoring the facts. You are simply ignoring the issue on ground. You are simply throwing those aside just because you feel that somebody somewhere is doing the same thing. How do we move on as a country if we cannot look at issues? Of course, our nation, our society is not free of issues, malpractices, corruption, and all manner of things. But the fact is, when a particular issue is being pursued, I think it should be the responsibility of Nigerians to show their interest in making sure that that particular issue is trashed squarely, so that people will learn from it, so that from the conclusion of that issue, we can now draw examples with which we can deal with subsequent issues. That is the way I think we should think. We should not sit down in our various places, at the studios, in our offices, and then begin to make claims. We begin to look at things just because of, possibly because of our sentiment, possibly because of our hate, and then we just rule off issues, vital issues. We just carpet the facts simply because we think that somebody else is doing the same thing without facts. We do not have facts to substantiate our claims, yet we are ruling off an issue, a process that is on ground, of which a particular agency has made various efforts to prove that such a matter is as they have claimed. I think Nigerians should make a U-turn. Our major problem is not the government. I think the problem of Nigeria is not the government. I think the problem of Nigeria is not just the leaders. The problem of Nigeria is you and me. The problem of Nigeria is that man who is in the office, who calls himself an academia. The problem of Nigeria is the journalist. The problem of Nigeria is the pastor. The problem of Nigeria is the imam. The problem of Nigeria is the pedestrian, that man who walks on the road, who is not ready to make any effort as to finding out the real facts. That is the problem of Nigeria. We should begin to re-educate ourselves, reorientate ourselves, our mentality, our attitude towards issues needs to really change. That is the only way we can move forward. Otherwise, we will remain the way we are. Nigerian government is not going to solve our problems if we are not complementing the efforts of the government with the way we behave. That is what I think. Thinking revolution. Thank you.